Welcome students. As in previous session, uh, we came to know about the revenue systems which were introduced by British government, and in different areas they applied different revenue settlement. Now to continue this topic, chapter. Now today's our topic is crops for Europe. Means which crops British needed for their own country. Actually, British required commercial crop by the late 18th century. British tried to expand cultivations of opium and indigo in various parts, so they forced the commercial cropping. First of all, uh, we come to know about commercial cropping. What is commercial cropping? Commercial cropping means the crops which we grow for selling or for commercial purpose or for business. Understand? So first they wanted by the Indians to grow commercial cropping, and in different areas which are very rich for particular crops, so they forced the farmers to grow these crops. So first of all we come to know what were the crops. The crops, commercial crops, generally British wanted tea in Assam, jute in Bengal, cotton, that is cotton is famous for in Maharashtra or near the area of Maharashtra. So cotton in Maharashtra, and rice in Madras, and in UP sugarcane is very famous. So that the British wanted these commercial crops for European countries. That was just before, by the end of 18th century. Later on, they needed, the emphasis was laid on the cultivation of indigo, because indigo was very important. So first of all we come to know what is indigo. What is indigo? Indigo is a plant by which we get blue color for dye. As we know that in European countries, textile industries were flourished on that time, so they need blue color, and indigo is a very rich color, and indigo of our own country is very famous. And what is the cause is that indigo is very is indigo is famous in tropical region, because the climatical conditions of indigo that is needed in tropical area. So first of all we come to know what is tropical area. As we know that in previous class I told you that this is equator, and tropic of Cancer, and this is tropic of Capricorn. Cancer and tropic of Capricorn. So this area is tropical region. This area is tropical region. So indigo is indigo needs the climatical condition, tropical climatical condition. So that is very rich. As we know that our country is the climatical condition of our country is tropical. So indigo is very rich and very popular in European countries. So as when British got the power and when they control the areas, so those areas where they had totally control, they wanted the farmers to grow indigo. Understand? So indigo, as I told you, in European countries, for the indigo there is a plant that is known as wood. Wood is just like a indigo, but the color of that wood is not fine, was not fine. So that the people, the European traders or the industrialists, they just demand of indigo of our own country. So that British force the people, farmers, to go indigo. And by this, in India, indigo was cultivated by two patterns. And what are these two patterns? These two patterns are niche and Rioti. So first of all we come to know niche. Niche means owned. Niche means owned. The particular land which was owned by the government, British government. So that was known as niche, and they just cultivate these areas for indigo, and sometimes they just gave the rent, that cultivated area, rent for growing indigo. So that is known as niche system. Second system is Rioti system. As in previous video I told you, Rioti means cultivators. Rioti means cultivators. Here means the farmers who cultivate the land, they were forcibly told to grow indigo, so that they got the loan, because the farmers of Indian, they were very poor, so they sometimes they needed loan. So only for on the behalf of this, 25% of the particular land they had to grow indigo, then they got the loan. So there were some problems in starting or in the beginning. Rioti, the cultivators, they, because they were getting loans, so they agreed to grow indigo, but they later on they came to know their ill effect. Actually, indigo need the land that was very that will be very fertile, and when we grow the indigo, that it will reduce the fertility of that particular land, means that land would be totally destroyed, mean less fertility, so that they face too much problem, as they were burden for loan, so they didn't need to grow indigo. Thank you.